Hey, what's up? I am Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I want to talk about people that I will never, ever, ever shoot again. Let's get into it. All right, so you've seen the title, you've seen the little intro. This will not be a long video. It's just a few things. And when I say a few, I mean two things I want to touch on. I could go on a long list, a long rant, but I think I'll make other videos in the future. But as far as photo shoots go, now say if a client pays me, right? A client pays me, but they don't use their photos. I do not have an issue with that. I will shoot that person again because you paid me to not use your photos. I'm going to use them. But if you choose to pay me and not use your photos, I'm not offended. If you choose to pay me again and not use your photos, I'm not offended. That's up to you. You paid for the product. You don't want to use it? That's your prerogative. But what I do take issue with is what if I shoot you for free. I do free photo shoots here and there. If I shoot you for free and you don't use the photos, I will never shoot you again. Now, let's establish what use the photos mean. I don't necessarily mean share the photos, because some people share the photos. They say I give them 10 photos, they throw all 10 photos out there at one time, which I don't understand. Give social media a little bit. Give them one or two photos. Bow. Then here another day, give them another one or two photos. Bow. Then give them another one or two photos. Bow. Give them a little here, give them a little taste. Don't give them everything at one time. Don't give them every single photo at one time, because when you give them everything at one time, every single photo is old at the same time. You know what I'm saying? But I take issue with if I shoot you for free and you don't use your photos. Using the photos is not sharing the photos. Using the photos is profile picture. Using the photos is Facebook cover photos. That's what I call using the photos. Now, if I shoot you for free, the least you could do, now I don't want to make this just about me. If any photographer shoots you for free, the least you could do is become that photographer's walking billboard. Now, what I would do in that situation, like say a photographer shoot me for free, right? And I know I want to continue to get free photos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the photos he gave me and not a cell phone photo, because a lot of people use cell phone photos. They share the professional photos. Some people, they share the professional photos and use cell phone photos. But anyway, I got off topic right there. What I would do if a photographer is shooting me for free, I become his walking billboard. What I mean by that, every now and then, I'm going to say, hey, check out Tron Moses Media for all your photography needs. Bow. Because I know I want to keep getting free photos. So if I got free photos from him in the past, the least I could do is use the photos he gave me and become his walking billboard. Now check this, because I don't want anybody to think I'm trying to make this about me. But then say 3 weeks down the line, you shoot with another photographer. Okay, now you take my picture down from the profile and you use his. But if somebody's shooting you for free, you use the photos. Because I've been on plenty of photographers. I'm talking about well-known, big pages, big Instagrams, big YouTubes. I've been on their page, and you click on the link for the model. You go to her page and you don't see none of them photos. You don't see none of those photos. And you know they shot them for free. But I don't want to stay there. I don't want to stay here. Let me just say that I will never shoot a person again that does not use the photos or even share the photos. But I'm focusing on use the photos. I will never shoot that person again. 2, the second person that I will never shoot again is someone that puts a filter on my photo. That is the ultimate disrespect to any photographer, is to put a filter on their work. It's saying a whole lot. It's saying, 1, I don't like the photo the way it is. 2, you didn't do a good enough job. Look, let me tell you something. All editing is done in here before I give you the photos. When I give you the photo look the way I want it to look. It is very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. I consider my photography an art. And it's disrespectful for you to come along and put a filter on my art. So that person I would never shoot again. I shot a Caucasian girl that did that. I shot an African girl that did that. Now with the Caucasian girl, and this is not all Caucasians, but most Caucasians I've noticed in the photography world, modeling world, or what have you, they don't really like punchy colors. They don't like reds to pop. They don't like blues to pop. They don't like those because they mostly into muted colors and earth tones and all of that. So they're not really into punchy colors. And she put a filter on my work. And listen, look, I done planned to do another photo shoot with her before I saw this. And when I saw this, I was like, I would never shoot her again because you disrespected my art. Then the other one, I already planned to do another photo shoot with her. But then I saw on Instagram, you got filters on my photos. You got filters on my work. They're your photos, but it's my work. They're your photos, but it's my work. And that's just very disrespectful. So other photographers might feel different. Let me know how y'all feel, but this is how I feel. I would never shoot these people again. I would never shoot a person again that I shot for free and they did not use the photos. I would never shoot a person again that I shot and they put filters on my photos. I will never shoot these 2 people again. I will come back with more in the near future, but right now I gotta get up out of here. Right now it's late. Well, really it's early. It's 4:50 a.m. in the morning. I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. I gotta go.